In this video, I'll show you how to become a part of this trending Add Your Story called 6 Pics to Say Goodbye to January on Instagram. So it's nearly the end of January and you want to say goodbye to January. So go ahead and post 6 pics in the memory of January. So to become a part of this trending Add Your Story, first you're going to go to your App Store or your Play Store, search for Instagram and make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. Here you're tapping on search and you're searching for this account, Add Your Sticks. So once you see it, go ahead and visit the profile page. Now here you want to go ahead and tap on the highlight section where it says Jan 2024 P4. So if you see it, go ahead and tap on that. Now let that load, and once that loads, you want to go ahead and browse through the trending Add Your Stories until you find the one that you're looking for. And there you go. So to become a part of this trending Add Your Story, go ahead and tap on Add Yours. Now you want to use the layout feature and you want to change it to 2x3. And now you want to go ahead and post 6 different pictures to say goodbye to January. And there you go. That is how to become a part of this trending Add Your Story called 6 Pics to Say Goodbye to January on Instagram.